Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, October 10th. Yesterday, 9th was uh, National Indigenous Peoples Day, Indian Day, that's what I call it. Yeah, it's a belated day for us. We're out celebrating Columbus. We don't celebrate trespassers. Yesterday was Columbus Day and indigenous, I don't know why I can't say it, Peoples Day, Indian, Native American Day. We get one day. Uh, yeah, one day. Woohoo. Not a month. Not any programs or anything. We get a day. But anyway, this is my food. Cottage cheese, as always. Got ranch in here for my little Philly cheesesteak things. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin applesauce. It's alright. It's not my favorite. I'm just trying to work through it. I got wings. And them little bite things are the Philly things, what I need stuff for. But indigenous people, I guess. I don't know. I can't pronounce it. I can tear up some buffalo wings. One of these years, I'm gonna have to starve myself for 2 days, build up enough calories, and enter one of those buffalo wing eating contests. I know I can win it for sure. Oh, you need to eat 100 buffalo wings in 30 minutes? Give me a 10. Not even that. I can tear them up. Still steaming. Oh shit. Security cameras are going crazy. bites a little bit of really good, but it's Philly cheesesteak and like an egg roll. Microwave ain't too bad. Where these things suckers shine is when you get them right out of the toaster oven. Piece for the crows. Oh man, it's getting a little warm in here. Oh, it's cold as heck outside, but the sun, I'm sitting right in the sun. The sun's baking me in this truck. Had the heater on under my feet, trying to get my feet warm. Alrighty, that be my lunch. Oh, and I had some cookies. I ate them for snack. I got strawberry banana today. But yeah, everyone have a great day. Happy belated Native American Day. Or I like to call it American Day. True American Day. Non-trespasser day. Yeah. But yep, everyone have a great day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you tomorrow.